Transform your bathroom into a tranquil oasis with these inspiring plant and decor ideas. From hanging greens to elegant succulents, we've got you covered. Discover how to bring nature indoors and elevate your daily routine. Stay tuned for expert tips and creative solutions to make your bathroom a sanctuary of serenity. Creating a soothing and aesthetically pleasing bathroom with plants and decor can greatly enhance the overall ambience. Here are some ideas. 1. Succulent collection *, arrange a variety of succulents in different shapes and sizes on a windowsill or a dedicated shelf. They thrive in the humid environment of a bathroom. 2. Hanging plants *, install hooks or hangers to suspend plants like ferns, pothos, or spider plants from the ceiling. They add a touch of greenery and can save counter space. 3. Air plants *, these unique plants don't require soil and can be placed in creative containers like seashells or small glass terrariums. They're perfect for a minimalist aesthetic. 4. Bamboo stalks *, display a few lucky bamboo stalks in a tall vase with water. They add a touch of elegance and are believed to bring good luck. 5. Shower plants *, some plants thrive in the humidity of a bathroom, such as air-purifying plants like snake plants or aloe vera. Place them near the shower for a spa-like feel. 6. Floating shelves *, install floating shelves and arrange a mix of plants, candles, and decorative items. This provides both functionality and visual appeal. 7. Mirror with plant frame *, place a small, framed mirror with a succulent or air plant arrangement around it. It creates a unique focal point. 8. Decorative stones and pebbles *, arrange small, polished stones or pebbles in a glass container to add a touch of nature without the need for live plants. 9. Aromatherapy diffuser *, use an essential oil diffuser with calming scents like lavender or eucalyptus. This complements the natural elements of your bathroom. 10. Nature-inspired artwork *, hang paintings or prints featuring botanical or beach themes. This adds a natural touch to your bathroom decor.
Proper lighting. Ensure that your bathroom has adequate natural light or install suitable artificial lighting to support the growth of your plants. Consider using LED grow lights if your bathroom lacks natural light. Minimalistic approach. Avoid overcrowding the space with too many plants or decorations. Keep it simple and choose a few key pieces that complement each other and the overall design of your bathroom. Remember to consider the specific conditions of your bathroom, such as humidity and lighting. When selecting plants and decor with these ideas, you can create a refreshing and inviting bathroom oasis. Thanks. Please like my video and subscribe the channel.